Need a contract or letter for a single item on your Monday board? Let's create your first item document together. In a few minutes, you'll turn a single Monday item into a finished PDF document. And by the end, you'll do it with one click. Follow along with me. First, your template. Open a normal Word document and write your document the way you normally would. You can also use an existing business document as your starting point. Now, wherever you want information from your item to appear, like a name, a date, or an amount, you add a placeholder. A placeholder simply points to a column on your board and consists of two curly braces, the word item, a dot, and the exact column name. Then close it again with two more curly braces. Take your time and add one for each piece of data you need. When you're finished, save the file as a Word document, and that's your template. Now switch back to Monday and open the DocExport view on your board. Click Upload Template and choose the file you just saved. Give it a moment. And there it is. DocExport shows a live preview, already filled with the real data from your item. Let's try another item. Use this drop-down to switch to a different item and watch the preview update instantly. When you're happy with what you see, you can click Download, and your first PDF is done. Here's a shortcut worth knowing. Once your template is set up and saved, you can also generate a PDF right from the item card in your Monday board without opening the DocExport view at all. We switch to the board view, open an item, and click on Add View. Now search for DocExport and add it. Make it your default view, and it'll be there on every item. After that, simply open any item via the item card view, pick your template, and download your PDF on the fly. Perfect for when you just need a quick one-off document. Now let's go back to the DocExport view and see what else can happen with that PDF completely automatically. In my case, I want to save my document to a file column in my Monday board and also send it via email. So, open the Actions panel. First, turn on Save to File column and choose the column where the document should be saved. Then also, turn on Send by email and add the email address that should receive it. Set this up once, and every document you generate follows the same rules. For the last part, we'll let Monday do the work for you and set up an automation that triggers the document creation via a button click. Clicking on that button will then generate the document, save it to the file column, and send it out via email to the address we just defined. All you need is a button column on your board. Mine is called Generate Document. Open Monday's automations and create one simple recipe. Save the automation to your board. Now go back to your main board and click that button on any item. And that's it. The document is generated and saved automatically. Your whole team can now create a finished document with a single click. And that's the whole setup. Create a template, generate your document, define actions, and set up automations. Take it one step at a time, and you'll have it running in minutes. If you need some more help, you'll also find the full guide in our Help Center. Happy generating, guys!